Hi, I'm Carlos Valenzuela, your Chilean affiliate from Digital Chaos, and welcome to my Zapable review. What is Zapable? Well, in a nutshell, Zapable is an app creator that allows you to create beautiful applications within minutes with just drag and drop and upload them to the App Store or the Google Play Store. Due to the pandemic, the world has changed a lot lately, and businesses are terrified of getting closed. So within the last year, the creation of apps went to the roof. So imagine now being able to create your own app for your own business, or if you want, create app for other business and sell them for top dollars. Zapable launched for the first time in 2015 and made record of sales. Now this is the new version of Zapable, loaded with many new awesome features and the latest technology. Some of these features are that you can sell digital products with the app, you can sell e-commerce product within the app, memberships apps, you can sell access to membership apps, take payments from the app, send instant push notifications to your customers, to the people from the app. You can create instant mobile apps. You have automated Apple submission, so your application shows in the App Store. The same with the Google Play Store. You can have your app live within 72 hours. You can create digital loyalty cards through QR code scanning. You have audio integrated. You can integrate it with iTunes, Spotify, Deezer. You have a video gallery. You can share your videos on YouTube, Vimeo, Wistia, and many other popular video services. You can create image gallery, show beautiful images of clients and business services. You have discount coupons, so you can entice people into your brand with time-sensitive discount coupons. You have real estate listings, build amazing directories listing all the available properties. You can create unlimited categories and subcategories inside your app. You have the maps where you can share your business location within one-click go function. Also, you have a form builder to collect clients' leads and quotes, etc. You can encourage repeat business by offering easy scan QR coupons and also encourage people to download your app. Full customizable drag and drop design. You can reorder your app layout within seconds with the multiple app menu layout option. You can offer your clients their own private login area. You can share your restaurant's menus in PDF format or any other PDF you would like to share with your customers. You have an integration for online food ordering, so you can integrate with Just to Eat, Grubhub, Deliveroo, and many more. You can allow also your app users to share, link, and comment directly within the app itself. You can also integrate your autoresponder within the app like MailChimp, GetResponse, ActiveCampaign, and many other more, okay? You have appointment forms. This allows your clients to book scheduled appointments and set your availability. You can share your app with other people. You can share your Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn profiles, everything in social media. And finally, to stay compliant with the law, you can share your company privacy policy. So if this is something you may be interested in, please stick with me because I'm going to go into more detail. I'm going to show you the prices and upsells, my awesome 18 bonuses that I have for you today. I'm also going to show you inside the members area, and at the end I'm going to leave you with a short teaser video, okay? But before going into more detail, if you're interested and would like to learn much more about Zapable, I would like to invite you to a pre-launch webinar, which is totally free, and is tomorrow, Tuesday, the 4th of May at 9 EST, okay? Plus, you're going to get a huge bonus just for attending. So you have nothing to lose and much to gain. But you have to take action now because the spots are limited. So to secure the spot, just link on the click down below in my description or in my fixed comment. I'm going to be leaving you 3 links, okay? The first is to the webinar, for the pre-launch webinar. The second one is to the sales page, which is not going to be available until the 4th of May again, 9 EST, okay? And the third link is to a document where you can see the prices and upsells and all the bonuses that I'm leaving you. All these 18 bonuses that I'm going to show you in a little while, you can access anytime you want to check them with more calm, okay? Also, if you are watching this video after the launch, you can still click on the webinar link because you can watch it on demand now, okay? Also, if you don't want to see this whole video and you would like to skip some parts to go straight into the bonuses part or the demo, the teaser video, whatever, you can hover on the timeline here and click on any part of this video you would like to see. All right, so now I would like to show you the prices and upsells and the 18 awesome bonuses that I have for you today that I'm sure you will love. Let's go. Okay guys, so this is my document. Remember, you can also access to this document from the link in my description. I'm going to show you the prices and upsells now. The front end that has personal and agency license costs $497 one-time price, okay? When you join Zapable, you're going to be able to unlock a year trial to the builder for only $4.95. After the year, then it rebuilds at $2.97 per year, okay? But this is optional. Then you have the upgrade number 1, Zapable White Label. This costs $197, a one-time payment. The upgrade number 2 is Zapable Agency Gold, and this costs $49 per month. And finally, the upgrade number 3 is the Zapable Templates, which cost $97 as a one-time payment. I think this is very worth, guys, because Zapable comes with 5 templates, but with this you're going to have many more templates. Well, of course, you can create unlimited apps and unlimited templates by yourself, okay? Okay, so now here I'll leave you some example apps. You can write this URL on your phone or scan it with your mobile, like I'm going to do now to show you. And you can see how the app looks, okay? You can scroll, you can click. It's awesome, but better you do it with your own phone, okay? So let's scroll down. You have these five apps you can check, okay? And here we get to my bonuses. I'm not going to go through all of them because, like I said, there are 18 bonuses. They're all really cool, so you can watch them with more calm here, okay? Please check them out with calm because it's a very long document. I explain each bonus very well, and I'm not going to waste time on that now, okay? 18 bonuses. All these bonuses, guys, are instant delivery. You're going to get another document with the download links, okay? And that document is going to be on your JVSU files. Okay, so those were my bonuses. Remember, I'm going to leave you a link to this document down below in my description if you want to check them with more calm, okay? Now I'd like to show you inside the members area. Okay, guys, so here we're inside the members area. Well, here first you have updates. These guys are going to be posting always the updates here, so you can always check them. You can access your bonuses. You can see the webinars. Here you log in for the app builder. And here you have a training library. You have a lot of tutorials covering each and every part of the application. For example, in design options, you have all these videos that are here. You can watch all these trainings. Also, if you want to see them in a different way, you can click here and go to the training sitemap. That looks like this. And here you see you have the design options, all these tutorials. Then for the color options, the feature options, the content features, all these tutorials, the media features, and so on and so forward. You see how many tutorials you have? This is huge. All right, now I would like to log in into the application builder to show you. So then you just click here, and here you go. Here you can create your app. These are all the apps created now, but these are the 5 that come, the 5 templates that you will get. The same that I showed you before, okay? Let's say, for example, we go to the coffee shop template. We can click on manage, and this is the builder, okay? Like I said, I'm not going to show you everything because this has too many features. You have to go through all the tutorials. Actually, there's still a lot of features I need to learn. Okay, but I wanted to give you a walk through the member service so you can have an idea of how it looks like. Here you have the settings, the plugins, everything. This is fully customizable. Okay, guys? Also on the side here, guys, you can play a little bit with it. You can, for example, go to the menu. Okay, you can, here you have a sample menu to download. You can go back to the home, check the other things, okay? And like I said, this is fully customizable, okay? Okay, and that's my Zapable review. Now I'll say goodbye and leave you with a short 2-minute teaser video that is very worth to watch. Remember, down below in the description, you will find the 3 links to the webinar, to the sales page, and to the document with the prices and my bonuses. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment down below or send me a WhatsApp, okay? Enjoy the short video and bye for now.
Have you ever thought of getting a mobile app for your business, but simply have no idea where to start? Chances are you think it's out of your budget, or maybe you're wondering, do I even need one for my business? Well, with your very own business mobile app, your ability to increase sales and customer loyalty will explode. Let's take a look at a few industry examples and app features and see exactly how. Let's say you own a cafe or a coffee shop. With your own app, you can easily share pictures of your menu and your most tasty meals. You can easily update and change them at any time. You can have your very own in-app loyalty and coupon cards, where you can reward your customers for repeat custom, for instance, like buy 2 coffees, get 1 free. The app will track all of these rewards for you. Now let's imagine that you own a restaurant and you have a daily special on that you want your customers to know about. Well, that's when it's ideal to use our push notification system. In a few clicks, you can send a beautiful promotional push notification message to them to let them know about this offer directly to their phone. Have social media? You can add your Facebook, Instagram and Twitter accounts and more, which will automatically update for you as new content is added. Maybe you're in the service provider industry like dental, medical, or even the law field. Well, with your own app, your clients can easily make appointments with you within seconds. This will make your life so much easier and reduce the amount of missed appointments and manual follow-ups needed, as the app is doing the hard work for you. What about the health and fitness industry? If you're a personal trainer, clients can now easily book training sessions with you or a spot in your spin class, all within seconds from within your app. Have you ever wanted to upload your own workout videos or diet plans to a private members area? Well, now you can. Here you could charge your clients an extra monthly fee in order to access your content, or even give it to them as an extra perk for being one of your loyal clients. It's never been so easy. The simple fact is, no matter what business you're in, a mobile app can skyrocket customer loyalty, increase your repeat business and sales, reduce the amount of time you spend on boring admin, day-to-day tasks and so much more. This will make your life so much easier. So why not get in touch today for a free, no obligation quote and bring your business into the modern world?